Hello everyone, as you can see on the screen, in today's video I am going to teach you about solution of numericals that deals with lens. So before doing any numerical dealing with lens, all of you must go through sign convention that already I have taught you. If you have seen that video, that it is very good. If you have not seen, then I will provide you that link in today's description box. So let's start today's video, that is solution of given numerical. I am leaving this space so as to write down the name of a lens. If an object of 7 centimeter height, what is given to us? Height of object, and object height is represented by h, and what is the value of h? That is 7 centimeter. Height of object is 7 centimeter. It is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter. So object is placed at a distance, it means object distance is given to us, and object distance is represented by a symbol u. Its value is 12 centimeter. In numerical that deals with lens or mirror, you must mention sign. Whether it is positive or negative, it must be mentioned. Height of object is always positive, and object distance u is always negative. How sign have been put here? As per the sign convention, following the rules of sign convention. Now, from a convex lens, so what is the name of a lens? That is a convex lens. It must be mentioned. That's you have already learned in mirror, that I have told you that it must be mentioned at the top of numerical, whether it is a lens or a mirror, whether it is a convex or a concave. Okay. Of focal length 8 centimeter. So what is given to you? Focal length. Focal length is represented by f, that's value is 8 centimeter. And for convex lens, focal length is positive, so it is plus 8 centimeter. What we have to find out? Position, nature and height of the image. Okay, so image position, nature and height we have to find out. So let's start today's one, that whenever lens or mirror is given, first substitute its formula. So as numerical is dealing with the lens, so put what is lens formula? 1 by v 1 minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. U is given to us, f is given to us, position of image, that is v is to be find out. So as to find out v, you must keep v along left hand side, so it will be 1 by f plus 1 by u. Have you noticed that I have not substituted any values right now? Before substitution, the term you want to find out, you must keep it along left hand side and remaining terms along right hand side. Now substitute the value taking sign into account, sign whether it is positive or negative. So what about focal length? It is 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. What about u? Object distance, that is minus 12 centimeter. So I am mentioning here minus 12. Now taking the LCM of 8 and 12, that is 24. 8, 24. 8 3s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Minus, plus minus, minus 12 2s are 24, 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 24. That is the 1 by v. But we want to find out the value of v. So taking its reciprocal, v is equal to 24 by 1, or v is equal to 24 centimeter. So distance of image has been found out. What we have to find out? Height. Height of image. We know m magnification. Magnification relates image distance, object distance with image size and object size. It can be done in two steps. First, we we have find out u is given to us, so m is equal to v by u. What is v? V is 24. What is u? U is minus 12. So m is equal to minus 2. Magnification is equal to minus 2. Now we know m is equal to h dash upon h, height of image upon height of object. It means it is image, it is object. As it was in here, it was image distance, it was object distance. Now m we have already find out, we have to find out h dash. Keeping h dash aside, that is equal to m into h. What is m? Minus 2. What is h? H is the height of object, and height of object is 7 centimeter. Minus 2 into 7, minus 14 centimeters. So height of image is minus 14 centimeter. So we have find out image position and image height. Now what about nature? Nature of image. If V is positive, it means what? It is optical center, distance is starting from optical center. If V is positive, it means image is formed along this side, and along this side image is always real. So from this we come to know image is real. Next one, height is negative. Negative means below the principal axis, it is inverted. So real image is always inverted, or inverted image is always real. So we come to know that image is real and inverted. So in this way you can solve the numerical. Sign must be considered. Name of the lens or mirror must be mentioned here. The term you want to find out, it must be kept aside. When it is taken aside, only then substitute the values. Okay, it means आपको अपने फोकल लेंथ ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस की वैल्यूज़ को पहले पुट नहीं करना है. पहले आपको इमेज डिस्टेंस को एक तरफ लेना है. जब इमेज डिस्टेंस को एक तरफ कर लिया, इन सब की वैल्यूज़ को साइन के साथ सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. देन इट विल प्रोवाइड यू एग्जैक्ट रिजल्ट. ओके, so let's start numerical number 2. A convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So what is given to us? Lens. Which lens it is? Convex lens. Convex lens of focal length. Focal length is represented by small f and its value is 10 centimeter. When the lens is convex, focal length is positive. When a lens is concave, focal length is negative. Convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the wall. Students, this is wall, and from wall at a distance of 12 centimeter, a lens is located with focal length 10 centimeter. So focal length is 10 centimeter. This wall will act like a screen. Screen means where image will be formed. On screen image is always real, so real image will be formed. So the distance between the lens and the wall, it will. So this is image distance. Distance between image and lens, that is image distance. Image distance is V. As it is along the right hand side, so it will be positive. Its value is 12 centimeter. How far from the lens object should be placed? Where is the object? It means object distance is to be find out, and object distance is denoted by u. It is to be find out, but keep in mind its answer must be negative. If it is negative, then it's okay. If object distance is coming out to be positive, then result is not exact. Okay, so V is given to us, F is given to us. What we have to find out? U. Whenever length is there, we have to apply length formula. What is length formula? Length formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. The term we want to find out, that is U. Keeping U along single side, that is, let it be along right hand side. Minus 1 by U will change into plus 1 by U. 1 by V. 1 by F, when we bring this along the left hand side, it will be minus 1 by F. Okay. So, what is the value of V? What is the value of V? V is plus 12 centimeter. What is the value of F? F is 10 centimeter. What is the LCM of 12 and 10? That is 60. 12 5s are 60. 5 1s are 5. 10 6 are 60. 1 6 are 6. 5 minus 6, and 5 minus 6 is minus 1 by 60. So we have find out the value of 1 by U taking its reciprocal. When we take out its reciprocal, we will get the value of U, and U will be equal to minus 60. As I have told you, U must be negative. U is negative, so it is minus 60 centimeter. So object distance is equal to minus 60 centimeter. Okay. So in this way you can solve the numerical. In next video I will teach you how to solve NCERT in-text question that are based on refraction topic. So be with me in next video. Till then, goodbye.